Afternoon, everyone. I'm Day Margaret Phoenix, and if I had given a chance to compare myself into a thing, I think it's a car. A car that gives you a comfortable ride after your destination. A car that rides up to my goals in life. Car needs a gasoline to start the ride, and I need an inspiration to start pursuing my goals. A car passes through traffic. For me, those traffics are problems and challenges in my life. A car has side mirrors and a windshield. A side mirrors so that I can see who's on my side, that I shall stay away from, and I shall be close for. A windshield to protect who's with me while I've been pursuing my goals in a challenging road. I want to give my passengers a comfortable ride or life, which is my family, as time is passing by. A seat belt to assure the safeness that no one will be hurt in case I accidentally stop. There's a rule during a ride. One of these are the traffic lights. The green light, which means go. I'll go with the support of my family. And a red light, which means stop. Those are the friction in my life. As I reach my destination or goal in life, I'm a car that will go back where I started from or to the place where I grew up.